Caer Bran Hill Fort is an archaeological site near Sancreed and Carn, Euny Iron Age village, on the Penwith peninsula in Cornwall. Site. It is a popular location for walkers and antiquarians because it commands a stunning 360-degree panorama of the entire Penwith peninsula, which probably accounts for its defensive importance. The site consists of an Iron Age hill fort which originally included a circular stone-lined inner wall 12 feet thick enclosing a space 200 feet in diameter. Surrounding this was a ditch 45 feet wide and 7 feet deep, an earthen rampart 15 feet high with stone revetment and a slight counterscarp outer bank. There are remnants of a stone-lined causeway of the ditch at the original entrance to the northwest adjacent to the ancient trackway linking Penzance with Land's End. In the center of the remains of a large circular stone building about 50 feet in diameter. There are 3 Bronze Age rain cairns within the outer ramparts according to a Cornwall archaeological unit survey. Most of the original stonework was robbed for building purposes during the 19th century. The fort was probably built to protect locally mined metals, in particular tin, copper and silver, before transportation to nearby ports in Mance Bay of the Hale estuary. It overlooked at least 3 Iron Age settlements within a half-mile radius. Folklore. The name derives from Caer, the Cornish word for fortress, and the name Bran means raven or crow. The association with Bran probably relates to the nearby hamlet of Bran, a contraction of Bos Fran, the House of Bran. This may be the same Bran the Blessed from the Mabinogion in Welsh folklore, a giant and king of Britain with parallels to the Fisher King, the keeper of the Holy Grail in Arthurian legend, who lived at a castle called Corbenic, which is similar to Corban, the old French word for crow. In Cornish folklore, the name Bran is associated with the Menskrifa granite pillar which contains the inscription Rhylo Bran Iconavawali Fili, which means Royal Raven Glorious Prince. An invader attacked the Glorious Prince and occupied a hill fort at Penzance, driving Bran back to his hill fort at Caer Bran. A battle was fought and Bran was killed, possibly on his way to Tune Castle, and a stone was erected at the site which was said to correspond to the height of the dead warrior. In local legend, Caer Bran was said to be a sanctuary from evil spirits and the abode of the Pobl fairies. Landmarks. Carn, Euny Iron Age village and Fogu is about half a mile to the west. Bartini Castle is an Iron Age enclosure 1 mile to the west. Sancreed Beacon is to the northeast about half a mile.